Hello. So previously I gave you 3 skills you need to build your side hustle. And as promised, these are the other 7. So today we're going to have 10 skills that you need to develop in order for you to have be successful with your side hustle, because the goal is to take your life and business back by building your side hustle to make your side hustle your main hustle or your main source of income. Just want to let you all know a little bit about me. Is my name is Jackie. I have an MBA with a graduate certificate in accounting. I'm a life and business coach, best-selling author, speaker, content creator. I empower women to be more productive, to get trained so that they can get paid. Okay, before we get off into the subject, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll know when another video posts. Okay, so here we at 10 skills you need to build your side hustle business. Number 1, you need interest. Interest is the desire to know or learn something. Okay, so and the reason why this is in this PowerPoint is because of sometimes we jump into businesses because Sally, Jesse, Raphael, Missy, Tommy, Jeff, whoever jumped into this business, they're successful. And we're saying, okay, if they're successful selling shoes, guess what? I like shoes. I can sell shoes too. But you have to have not just an interest in something, a strong interest, a passion, a desire. That's what helps drive you and get you to be to not to taking that dream and making it your real life. This is how you take your life and your business back. Okay, number 2 is time management. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how you're going to divide your time between a specific activities, right? The reason why you do it is because most businesses, whether you're calling it a side hustle or not, they start off as side hustle because you're using your 9 to 5 as your primary source of income. That is supporting your lifestyle. That is supporting your business. That is supporting you. And that's what keeps the roof over your head. So it's important, if you want the side hustle to be your main hustle, you learn time management. I have some videos that's perfect for about time management. I'll put it down in the description. Okay, the next ability is strategic thinking. And strategic thinking is the ability to create or apply business insights on a continued basis to achieve business goals. And the reason why you need strategic thinking is you need to be able to think outside the box. You need to go beyond your everyday life in order for you to be successful in that side hustle, right? You need to be able to take you need to be able to go from point A to point Z, and you need to be able to take your customers there too. Determination is a personal connection that you make, which is your why. I like to call your why the connection. It keeps you motivated, it keeps you grounded, it keeps you focused on what's a priority. Okay, it deals with the mindset. The determination comes from the mindset, because listen, there's going to be some ups and downs. Guess what? We're going into unfamiliar territory, and so determination is what gets you to making that dream a reality. So it's important that you develop a personal connection with your why or your mindset. The next one is marketing. Marketing is the who, what, where, and how within with the customer and the product. So marketing is an important skill that you must develop in order to be successful in your side hustle or your business. The next one, which this could even be the number 1 skill, right? It's sales, because sales keeps your doors open. It's one of the most important skills. It's how to get them to buy. People have make tons of money just focusing on sales. Okay. In my opinion, they should even do a a graduate degree just focused on sales. But anyway, sales is one of the important things that you must know to keep your doors open, because you're taking your life and your business back. Project management. Project management deals with the different types or aspects of planning within the business. And I actually have some videos where I discuss different types of planning, right? And I'm going to put that link in the description. Customer service. Listen, your door, if you have poor customer service, guess what? You will not last. You have to develop a skill on how to treat your customers, how to handle difficult customers, how to make sure that your customer service is excellent. Okay. You have to find out what the customer wants, what the customer needs, and that helps you with the other things. It helps you create, it helps you with your project management. It helps you with sales. It helps you with your planning. It helps you do everything we listed previously. The next one is financial management. Financial management, yes, y'all, you got to get strategic, right? Not just with what you want to do, but with the money. You have to build a relationship with money. So we're talking about budgets. We're talking about a price strategy. We're talking about taxes. We're talking about costs. We're talking about expenses, and we're talking about profit margins. And yes, I get excited. I told y'all that I have an accounting degree, right? So I get this excited when I talk about money. But anyway, this is one of the things you have to develop in order to be successful with your side hustle. The 10th thing is leadership. Okay. Leadership is more than just being able to manage a crew. Leadership has to deal with problem solving, networking, and all the responsibilities of a business, right? Even if you are a solopreneur, you have to develop your skills as being a leader, because you are the sole source of leading the business. You can building the business, leading the business where you want it to be. Okay, so I added a bonus, which is 11, delegation. Delegation is one of the most important things. It's a delegation is more about putting an assignment on somebody, but it has to deal with getting help, getting things, getting help, getting the things that you need done in your business, and it may even include in your personal life, and allowing these resources to help you, y'all. So I have um I have a solution for you. If you need help in any of those 11 topics, and maybe you're not ready for a full coaching package, right? Because it's the holidays, or because whatever going on in your life is happening, or you want an opportunity just to try a coaching session, a strategy call with me. I have Pick My Brain strategy call. You simply go to my link tree, linktr.ee/route to victory, and schedule you a call. Because if you've been struggling with your personal development, with your finances, with your business, and want to ask somebody quick question, want somebody to work out strategy so you can resolve any of those issues that I listed below, any one of those issues, here's your chance to do the Pick My Brain. It's a 90-minute consultation where you get to ask questions, where we get to brainstorm, where you get the opportunity to get help and on which way to go in your personal development, personal finances, or business, because we are taking our life and business back. And all of those 10, 11 things that I listed affect the business success. And I want you all to be successful. So schedule your Pick My Brain strategy call. Go to linktr.ee/route to victory. That's linktree/route to victory. And whatever you do, make sure you give me this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you have not already. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments. That's all, folks. And don't forget to save this video for later. Share with your family, share with your friends. Sharing is caring. Comment, give it a thumbs up, and take your life and your business back.